Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some quick note cards using just PET tape and some sticker sentiments. So I've had a new haul from the washi tape shop that they've very kindly sent to me. And so I just wanted to show you the products first of all. So this is the pre-cut rose Sonata wide PET tape, and that's what we'll be using to create today's cards. This tape is the Petals on Blanc. Again, it's a wide PET tape and it's got a sparkling finish to it. And again, it's pre-cut, so really easy to use, easy to remove from the backing tape. This is a similar pattern, but a slightly different coloured edge. And this is called Fleur de Lune. And I absolutely love these tapes. They almost look like ribbon, so perfect for creating borders and strips across centres of cards, things like that. Really, really pretty. You could even use it as a bit like a faux ribbon. And I'm just going to show you what I mean by pre-cut. So it comes away from the edge of the tape and you've got that lovely scalloped border as well. So really, really easy to use. I've also got the Fall Flowers pet tape or PET tape. This is just a wide decorative tape, so these images are not pre-cut, but again, I've got plenty of videos showing how easily they can be fussy cut out, and of course you don't have to fussy cut any of the images, you could just use them as decorative tape as well. Then I've got this gorgeous pre-cut Violet Veil wide PET tape. Again, I've got another video coming up showing how to make 5 little mini note cards using this tape and just this tape, because there's lots of little text elements on it as well. So that's really pretty. And then this set of washi tape stickers came as a set of 3. So this is called the Doodle and Vine washi tape sticker set. There's some really gorgeous elements here, lots of little frames and little details. So this would be great for creating backgrounds, page edges if you're into journaling. And again, they are just stickers, so really easy to remove from the tape. Then one of the other tapes has got all these lovely floral elements and bouquets. You could make your own arrangements with different vases and mix and match the stickers, and then little doodly butterflies. And then the other tape has got all these lovely background elements. So there's so many things that you could do with these stickers. They're not just for card making, of course, but of course that's what my channel's about, showing you ways that you can use these tapes to make cards. And I think they're really versatile, especially if you just want to make some quick and easy cards and you don't want to have to think too much about it, or if you're new to card making and you've only got minimal supplies, then I think sticker tapes are a great way to start. So this is the tape we're going to be using. It's called the Rose Sonata wide PET tape. It's got all these gorgeous musical elements on and musical instruments, and so that's what I'm going to be using today. I've got 5 panels of white card that I've already pre-cut to 3.5 inches squared, and I'm going to be matting them onto black layers that are 3 3/4 inches squared, and then my card blanks are 4 inches squared. So that's all the measurements out the way, but of course you could make cards any size and shape that you prefer, but this is just what I wanted to create today. So I've cut a strip of tape off the roll just so that it's a little bit easier to work with, and then they just peel off like stickers really easily, and I'm just going to start creating my card layout. The great thing about PET tape is because it's clear, you can layer stickers over each other as well, so that can create some really fun effects. But I'm just going to pop that it looks like a half a vinyl record there onto the centre of my card. I'm going to add a few little musical notes around it just for an extra little bit of added interest. And then I always think when you're making simple cards, it's the simple things that you can add extra that really make the card stand out. So adding a matte layer, adding a sentiment just can really help finish the card off. You could always add some gems or Nuvo drops, or some ink splatters if you prefer as well, just to add a little bit of extra interest. But I'm keeping these cards really clean and simple today. So really, for the cards that we're creating, you need 2 supplies: a roll of PET tape and a sticker book of sentiments, and obviously just white and black card. And that's all we're really using. And that's really how easy it is to really start your card making journey. And of course, if you're not new to card making, you've been making cards for many years, we all sometimes run out of time where we just need something quick, and PET tapes are great for that too. So with this gramophone, I've just added a few extra floral elements. Again, I'm going to add a sentiment from the sticker stack book from Funky Fossil Designs that just says Happy Dance. I don't know if this sticker book's available anymore, but if it is, I'll link it in the description box below. I've added a few little white gel pen highlights just to make it stand out a little bit better, but that really was optional. And that is the second card finished. So for the third card, I went to peel off a sticker and it pulled off all of the kind of tape around the stickers. So I got rid of that and it actually made it easier to remove the stickers off the sheet. So maybe if you're struggling to remove them, then if you remove the extra tape from around the edges that just came off in one big strip, it does make it easier then to remove the stickers as well. So I'm adding a few floral elements around the keyboard. I'm just kind of working out where to add extra layers, and I do decide to add that little bit of music paper sticker down the side, and then again another little sentiment to finish it off, and this one just says forever and always. And then again I'm going to add a few little musical notes just for a little bit of extra interest, and then that'll be the third card finished, matted onto a black layer and of course mounted onto my card blank. I'm using liquid glue here, but of course you could use double-sided adhesive tape or sheets or however you prefer tape runner. There's lots of different ways if you don't like using liquid glue. But yeah, I just think these make for really quick and pretty cards. For the fourth card, I'm going to use this piano. Now, it was a little bit fiddly to stick it down because of the legs, so I did just use some tweezers to help me line it up there. But again, not necessary, but it did just make it a little bit easier. And then I'm going to add a few little extra flowers, an extra piece of music, and then a few little music notes. And I keep this one really, really simple. Well, they're all simple cards today. But I'm just going to add again a sentiment, and I just decide to add that one that says well done. And making cards like this are great for creating little box sets, so these could easily just be bundled up and gifted. I think it's a really nice way of using your supplies and being creative and then sharing it with others. So for the final card, I'm going to use these cassette tapes that are mixed with some flowers. Again, I'm going to add a few little extra elements around the outside. So there's some petals and then some little sticker dots that are kind of like little embellishments. I did find it easier when taking off the little dots to use my tweezers just because they were so small and fiddly. And I was finding if I took them off with my fingers, I was just creasing them a little bit. So some tweezers are definitely helpful, but they're not essential, but it did just make it a little bit easier, especially if you don't have very long nails. I'm adding a few little music notes around the outside, and then I'll add another sticker sentiment as well to finish that card off. And then that's the 5 cards created today. So how easy was that? I hope that this has given you some inspiration, especially if you've got some PET tape in your stash and maybe you're not sure what to do with it. Creating some really quick and easy notelets like this is a really fun way of using it up. It's an enjoyable way to make cards as well. And as I said at the beginning, it's great for beginners too. So as always, all the products that I've used will be linked in the description box below. I also have a coupon code that you can use at the washi tape shop as well that will give you a discount. If you've enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and there is a new feature from YouTube called Hype. So if you can hype the video as well, then that really helps small content creators out like myself. I believe you get 3 hypes a week, so don't forget to use them on all your favourite content creators. It will really help small YouTubers out, so I really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know which tape you'd like to see me create with next as well. I do have a video coming up for the Violet Veil tape, but let me know if there was another one you'd like to see used. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more from me. I'd love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.